Hello everyone, how are you today? This is the second vocabulary unit from Unit 2 and it is related to front of house personnel. We will begin by showing who is who when we talk about front of the hotel. When we talk about front of the hotel or front of the house, it means that we are talking about every single place the guests can go. Therefore, we need to have people working there. And the first one is the maître de hotel. And this person is the one responsible for managing books, finding tables for customers, assigning serving areas to waiting staff, and supervising their work, as well as dealing with any customer complaints. Then we have the head waiter. This person is the second in command and supervises service in a particular area of a restaurant. But when we have a smaller restaurant, it carries out the task of the maître de hotel. Also, we have the chef de rang, or also known as the capitaine. It is a French term used to describe a waiter who is the head of a section in the dining room. We can have several captains if the restaurant is very big or if it has different sections. They will be responsible for the commis waiters beneath them and report to the maître de hotel or the head waiter above them. Then we have the executive chef, also known as the kitchen manager. This person is the head chef. He is the guy or girl who creates the specials, he orders the foods, and works as the general manager of the kitchen. Probably, in some places, he might do the scheduling, the hiring, and the firing of the kitchen staff if necessary. Then we have the restaurant manager. The restaurant managers have a number of responsibilities in the day-to-day business of running a restaurant. Some of the qualifications required include basics, such as people skills and organization. Again, depending on the size and concept of a restaurant, some candidates applying to be the restaurant manager may need a degree in business or hospitality. Lastly, we have the server. A restaurant server is the customer service representative for your restaurant. A good restaurant server can convert any customer into a regular, while a poor server can just as easily turn customers away. A restaurant server job description can include many different duties beyond just serving food. We also have the bartender. Well, the bartender is the top position of the front of house staff. Depending on the type of restaurant, the bartender may be responsible for getting the rest of the staff drinks for their tables, also known as service bar, as well as the serving of customers who choose to eat at the bar. We also have the host or hostess. This person's regular job is to meet, greet, and sit customers. Therefore, it is considered to be an excellent entry-level job for someone without a lot of restaurant experience. She or he should be friendly and courteous, as well as organized and comfortable multitasking, knowing how to handle busy shifts. And so far, that's it. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have any questions, you can find me at lilian.molina@upaep.mx. See you soon. Bye-bye.